So with the steering wheel removed and the shroud removed from my T25 to replace the switch, when I pulled the shroud out, I just unclipped. There's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's like five switches. There's 2 down there, 3, 4, and 5. So the issue I was having was that my hazard light, it was not staying engaged. So this is a new one I got from Patterson's in Truro, Nova Scotia. And so we're just going to swap this one out for the new one. And I was trying to figure out how this would come out. And now I have misplaced my screw. Oh no, there it is. So what we've got here on the side, it's probably easier to show you on this. We've got these little clips, or what appear to be clips, on each side, right there. And I thought being inside here, I'll zoom back a bit. Being inside here, I thought I was going to have to kind of click it out of the way, push through, but no. All you're doing is you're pushing in right there. We're just going to push in here and push down. So let's see if we can't. There we go. Just like that. Comes out, and it comes out. You can see the issue here. It didn't want to stay engaged. So now that I have the new one, all we're going to do is we're just going to line it up, and we're just going to pop it through. New switch installed. And while I have this off, I'm going to be installing a battery charging port on this, and along with a voltmeter. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put it, either on the side or down here or up here somewhere. I need to find something, but this was the bane of my existence for a while, and now it's fixed. Hope this helps someone. Cheers from Nova Scotia.